Hello, what's the reason bakit pending yung order nyo? It's because naggumawa kayo ng task na maybe di nyo napansin na mali yung pindot, hindi nyo na-submit. So, what will you do? Just go to order. Dito sa baba, order, click. Then, may pending dyan, pending. Okay, just click the pending. Okay, just like that. Okay, may isang pending na ko. Then, click it. And just submit. Okay, give me a moment. Submit. Oh, sorry lang. Tagal naman. Okay, task completed. Okay na siya, ganun lang. Tapos balik ka na ulit dito sa, tawag nito, home. Then eBay. Okay. Mahina kasi yung net ko, sorry. Basta ganun lang, same process, ganun lang. Pag may pending, ganun gagawin. Then balik ka na ulit sa normal.